Welcome to the 60-second workout challenge. This is your chance to get your heart pumping and your muscles moving all in just 1 minute. Let us get started. Before we dive in, it is important to prepare your body. Jog in place for a few seconds, swinging your arms and loosening up those joints. Take a deep breath, shake out any tension, and get ready to move with energy and focus. A quick warm-up helps prevent injuries and gets your blood flowing, so do not skip this step. Now, the real challenge begins. For the first 15 seconds, perform jump squats. Explode upwards, land softly, and keep your chest up. Feel the power in your legs. Next, drop down for push-ups. Whether you are on your toes or knees, keep your core tight and maintain a steady pace for 15 seconds. Push through the burn. Finally, stand up and drive your knees high for high knees. Pump your arms and finish strong for the last 15 seconds. Keep your energy up and give it everything you have got. Great job! Take a moment to stretch and breathe deeply. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and check out our 5-minute challenge next.